What is the 4-7-8 breathing technique?
The 4-7-8 breathing technique is a simple yet effective method to quickly calm your mind and body. This powerful breathing exercise involves inhaling for 4 seconds, holding your breath for 7 seconds, and then exhaling slowly for 8 seconds. It's easy to learn and can be done anywhere, making it a great tool to help reduce stress and anxiety.
How does 4-7-8 breathing work?
The 4-7-8 method helps activate your body's relaxation response. By slowing your breath and holding it, you signal your nervous system to relax. The extended exhale helps remove excess carbon dioxide and slows your heart rate. This gentle pattern counteracts the effects of stress and anxiety, guiding your body toward a state of calm.
Step by step, practicing 4-7-8 breathing.
To try 4-7-8 breathing, sit comfortably and place the tip of your tongue just behind your top front teeth. Breathe in quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for 7. Then exhale audibly through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle up to 4 times for best results.
Benefits of the 4-7-8 technique.
Practicing the 4-7-8 technique can help reduce anxiety, improve sleep, lower stress, and promote relaxation. It has also been linked to lower blood pressure and improved emotional regulation. This simple exercise is a practical tool you can use anytime you feel overwhelmed or need to unwind quickly.
Tips for making it a habit.
To get the most out of 4-7-8 breathing, try making it part of your daily routine. Practice before bed to help with sleep or during the day when you need to de-stress. Consistent practice makes it easier to use this technique in moments of anxiety or high tension, providing immediate relief for your mind and body.